Jaden 啊，媽咪話咧，you don't run in the airport 啊，you stay here。但媽咪我好 excited，我想睇飛機啊。Jaden，唔好 touch 呢個啊，so dirty 啊 ，we go watch it later。Mommy tell you is a good boy. You stand here wait for mommy. Excuse me，姐姐，我想 check in 呢個 big gift，可唔可以俾我一個 ticket 啊
Good morning, ma'am. Of course.
雖然呢個 Jaden 啊嘅講嘢方式好好笑，但係我哋學英文嗰陣時要講正確嘅文法㗎。